Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Today we are going to start another 2D exercise whose figure is given, shown. First of all, I am going to sketch a line of 50 as the above circle radius is given 25, so its diameter is 50. I will come below 46. So looking to my figure, here is a distance of 6 from one side and 6 on the other side. So I will give the extent 6. I will come 8 below and 12.5 with its width. Now the central distance is 13 as I have measured using my calculations. Again I will come 8 below for achieving the strength and will give its width 12.5. And at last I will give a distance of 6 and go upward will it meets its specific point. So this is the last figure. Now I will give offset of 3.8 to the above line and so I have set 3.5 offset distance. Now I will draw circle of radius 25 on its center. So go to circle, center radius, click on specific point, center point, midpoint of the line and give a radius of 25 where it will meet the end point. Now I am going to trim the extra entities. So this is the reference figure. Now I am going to achieve the other dimensions. So as the above line is offset 6.6, so I will offset the above line to 6.6 and I will select the line, will extend this line to the outside of the figure, targeting those reference points to draw the small two figures on the right and left. From the above it is 6.6 and from the right side or left side when I measured is whole dimension is 64.2 and the figure dimension is 50. I will subtract it, so it will be 14.2 divided by 2, so it says come to 7.1. So I will offset this line on 7.1 to the right and the left. So these will that will be my specific point. So I have offset 7.1 on the right, 7.1 on left. Now at those point I will draw a circle of radius 3.6 and will draw two lines of 30.8 mm on its side line. Or I will offset this the center line and 1.8. So trim the extra entities. Now I am going to select a circle and will come across the center line on 30.8 points and will draw another circle below. So this is the reference figure as shown with specific dimensions. I have drawn it. I will trim the extra entities. So enter TR and press enter 2 times. So now I am going to mirror this specific figure on the other side of my given diagram. So I will select center line for mirroring. So the below figure is complete. Now I am going on the above portion. And I will select a circle of diameter 12.5 and will draw below 2 sections for achieving the specific shape. So I will trim the extra entities shown. Now I am going to above portion. So for that, in the center 2 small circles with diameter 5, I will offset the below line on 14 and the center line on 11. I have drawn the center line first of all. So now I am going to offset the below line and 14 for achieving references for my circles, and the center line I will offset it on 11 points on both sides. So these are the specific points which I have achieved using offset. Now I am going to sketch 2 circles of diameter 5 on those specific points. Select circle center diameter and draw 2 circles of 5. So this is also complete. Now I am going to, for the above 2, particular portions, I will offset the center line on it on both sides. So there is a 30-degree angle between the center line and those specific particular figures. So I will select a line and will switch up my perpendicular and draw a line of 13 at an angle of 30 degree. So select line, sketch the line, press dimension 13, then press tab, and after tab you need to enter the angle, so it's 30 degree, and press enter. There is a center distance of 1.5. Now I am going to fillet the above portion of those two, whose dimension is given to me radius of 0.6. So I have selected fillet command, given the radius 0.6 and offset my first figure. So this figure is complete. Now I am going to trim the extra entities from my figure. For easiness, I will mirror this specific figure on the other sides of the central line. So I have mirrored. So my figure is complete with specific dimension. I have drawn it. So now I am going to select trim and will delete the extra entities. So now I am going to dimensions and will draw its dimension, go to linear and draw all the dimension shown in my previous videos. This is for circle with center diameter of 5. So similarly, sketch all the dimensions and select all those dimensions. For modifying its text value and arrow sizes, etc., and precision value. So go to properties, select those all of dimensions and go to properties, right click and modify its text, width, arrow size and precision. So my figure is complete. This is my figure. So now I am going to take a print out. Please like and subscribe my channel for more coming interesting videos. So I have selected, go to select window, sketch a window across your figure as shown. Center the plot and OK, press enter OK. If you like my work, please like and subscribe my channel. I will give more detailed videos of AutoCAD, Pro, Crew, SolidWorks and NCs in future. Thanks for watching and enjoying my work. So this is the final figure and I have drawn it. Thanks for watching.